Hello everyone, welcome to Satya News. Now we are here with a new topic, trigonometry. I am going to say from the basics which is applicable for 10th, 11th and 12th. So first of all, what is trigonometry? Trigonometry means the study of three angles. Three angles means which is a triangle. Trigonometry means the study of three angles in the triangle. In 10th class, we mainly study about the right angle triangle, which is 90 degrees. Let us assume that ABC is a right angle triangle and the angle B is 90. A and C are some angles. As you all know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. As all the sum of angles in the triangle is 180 degrees, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180. Next, there are mainly 6 trigonometric ratios which are sine. We represent an angle in maths as theta, sine, cos theta, tan theta, secant theta, cosecant theta and cot theta. So these are the only 6 trigonometric functions that you have to remember. See, let us assume this is a triangle and this is a right angle triangle and sine of angle A. This is angle A and this is angle A and sine of angle A. Sine is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. Opposite, if you assume this as an angle, then sine to its angle is opposite side of angle to its hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, side and side. Okay, sine A equals to BC by AC. And next, cos of angle A is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. What is adjacent to angle A? It is AB. AB by AC is cos A. Then tan. Tan A can also be written as sin A by cos A, which we get as, what is sine? Sin A means it is opposite by hypotenuse. And what is cos? It is adjacent by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse get cancelled and finally we get opposite by adjacent and its dimensions are tan A equals to opposite side by adjacent, BC by AB. There is a simple trick. If you remember these three, we can remember secant, cosecant and cot. I will say why. See here, cosecant theta is inverse of sin theta and secant theta is inverse of cos theta and cot theta is inverse of tan theta. This is a simple trick to remember. And by that we can write what is cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equals to 1 by sine. Sine is BC by AC, that is opposite by hypotenuse. So what we will get cosecant theta? We get AC by BC, which is 1 by sine. 1 by BC by AC, that we will get AC by BC, same as here. So we can say cosecant theta as hypotenuse by opposite side. Similarly, secant theta. Secant theta is 1 by cos theta. What is cos theta? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So here we get hypotenuse by adjacent, and from this triangle we get AC by AB is our secant theta. Then cot theta. Cot theta is 1 by tan theta. Tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Cot theta is adjacent by opposite. Simply reverse, okay? Adjacent by opposite means AB by BC. This is our cot theta. Cot theta can also be written as, see here, it is reverse of tan. Cot is 1 by tan, right? What is tan? Sin by cos. 1 by sin A by cos A. That is equals to cos A by sin A. Here theta, A, all are same. Now let's discuss a basic problem. This is a right angle triangle ABC, 90 degrees at B, and AB is of 3 units, BC is of 4 units. And the question is, find sin A, second one. Tan C, third one is secant A. These are the 3 questions they asked to find. See here, what is sin A? It is opposite by hypotenuse. But if you see here, they had given only 2 sides, which is 3 and 4. The 2, if you think A as an angle, opposite side and adjacent side. But what is sin A? It is opposite by hypotenuse. We don't know AC, which is hypotenuse. To find hypotenuse, there is a formula called, there is a theorem called Pythagoras theorem. Which is, in a right angle triangle, side square, the sum of side square is equals to hypotenuse square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. AB, which is AB square plus BC square equals to AC square. This is the Pythagoras theorem. This is very important. You should have to remember this. And see here, by using this formula or this theorem, AB and BC are the sides. So here 3 and 4 are the sides. We get 3 square plus 4 square equals to, this is hypotenuse. Let us assume it as x is equals to x square. What is 3 square? 9. 4 square 16 is equals to x square. 25 is equals to x square. So we get x equals to 5. As root of 25 is 5. X is 5. So we get hypotenuse is 5 units. So we had got all the dimensions of the triangle. One is 3, 4 and hypotenuse is 5. So we can solve now. What is sin A? Sin A equals to opposite 4 by 5 tan C. In a hurry, we take the same tan A as, we take same A as the angle, but they ask C. So we have to shift our view of angle. We have to take C as our primary angle. And we can get here the tan C as, then this becomes 3 as opposite and 4 as adjacent. For A, 4 is opposite and 3 is adjacent. So you should be careful. Tan C equals to C with respect to C, BA is opposite and BC is adjacent. For both, AC is the hypotenuse which is same. So our answer tan C is 3 by 4 as tan theta is opposite by adjacent, and the last one is secant theta, secant A. What is secant theta? It is 1 by cos theta, which is hypotenuse by adjacent. Secant A. A is here and hypotenuse is 5, adjacent is 3. 5 by 3. This is a basic problem which may ask in exam for 10th class. Now let's discuss trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. Let's take a triangle ABC, and here the angle both are 45, 45. See whether the total angles in the triangle are 180 or not. 90 plus 45 plus 45, which is 180. As these are same angles, the sides will be same. Acute and isosceles right angle triangle. If you take this as A, this as A, as both are same, then the hypotenuse we get is A square plus A square is equals to hypotenuse square. A square plus A square equals to A square is equals to hypotenuse square. If we take square root on both sides, we get root 2A is equals to hypotenuse. So the side of hypotenuse is root 2A units. From here we can get all the 6 trigonometric ratios. Here sin A and sin C both are same, as both angles are 45 degrees. Sin A is equals to opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite? A by root 2A, 1 by root 2. Similarly, we can derive all the 6 trigonometric ratios. I am writing directly, okay. Cos A is equals to 1 by root 2, tan A is equals to 1, secant A is equals to root 2, cosecant A equals to root 2, cot A is equals to 1. These are the 6 trigonometric ratios when the angles are 45 and 45. The next triangle is triangle ABC. B is 90, and if one angle is 60, we get other angle as 90 plus 60 plus x equals to 180. So by finding x, we get 180 minus 150. So finally we get x as 30 degrees. So here we get 30 degrees. So see here, if we calculate sine angles, there are some specific values for 60 and 30 degrees of every trigonometric ratio. First of all, copy this. I will say a table which is very important, and this is a basic table you have to remember compulsory. Without the table, you can't do anything. So first of all, please copy it down.
Sin 0, 0, sin 30 1 by 2, sin 45 1 by root 2, sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 90 is 1. And cos is reverse of sin. As sin 90 is 1, so cos 0 is 1. You can see here, cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 1 by 2, cos 90 0. And as tan is sin by cos, so if you can remember sin and cos, you can remember whole table. As from sin and cos only, all the remaining 4 are derived, which are secant is 1 by cos, cosecant is 1 by sin, and cot is cos by sin, like that. See here, tan 0 is 0, tan 30 is 1 by root 3, tan 45 is 1, tan 60 is root 3, tan 90 is infinity. Tan 90 is infinity because sin 90 by cos 90. Here sin 90 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. 1 by 0 is infinity. So we get tan 90 as infinity. And next is secant. Secant 0 is 1, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, secant 45 is root 2, secant 60 is 2, secant 90 is infinity. Secant 90 is infinity because as 1 by cos is secant 1 by cos 90. Cos 90 is 0. So same as tan 90, 1 by 0 is infinity. Secant 90 is also infinity. Next is cosecant. Cosecant 0 is infinity. Cosecant 30 is 2. Cosecant 45 is root 2. Cosecant 60 is 2 by root 3. Cosecant 90 is equals to 1. And the last one is cot. Cot is reverse of tan. So we can take cot 0 is infinity, cot 30 is root 3, cot 45 is 1, cot 60 is 1 by root 3, cot 90 is infinity.
This is a problem we are going to do based on the table. For doing this problem, we have to remember that all 6 trigonometric identities values, which are 0, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 45 and 90. Cos 60 is 1 by 2, 4 into secant 60, secant 30 is 2 by root 3, minus tan 45 is 1, sin 30 is 1 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, whole square. Just solve it. 5 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1 by 4 by 4, which is 1. By taking LCM, we get 15 minus 15 plus 64 by 12 minus 12. 64 plus 15 is 79 by 12. 79 minus 12 by 12. 79 minus 12 is 67 by 12. 12 is our final answer. Let's discuss another problem. 2 tan 30 by 1 plus tan square 30 is equals to how much? Options: sin 30, B cos 30, C cos 60, D sin 60. Think for a while. I will solve it. 2. What is tan 30? It is 1 by root 3 by 1 plus tan square 30, 1 by root 3 whole square, 2 by root 3 by 1 plus 1 by 3, 2 by root 3, 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. We get 2 ones, 2 twos, 3 by 2 root 3 is our answer. If we solve further, we get this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3, right? Into 2 roots. 1 root 3 get cancelled and we get the final answer as root 3 by 2. So if you see here, in the options, there are 2 correct answers. By saying this, we directly say that sin 60 is our answer. Yes, sin 60 is the answer. But cos 30 is also the answer. As I said, sin is opposite for cos, right? And there is a homework problem for you. 1 minus tan square 45 by 1 plus tan square 45. The options are A sin 45, B 0, C 1, D tan 90. That's it for today. Please like, share, subscribe Satya News channel. If there are any comments and suggestions, please drop them in the comment box. Thank you.